All right, let's find all the solutions to this problem. So we have x to the power 6 equals to x squared. Now we have so many ways of solving this. Now, first of all, let's send the x squared to the left hand side, which will be x to the power 6 minus x squared equal to 0. Okay, now we can choose to take x squared out, or we can adjust this one and make it difference of 2 squares. So we can say, since a squared minus b squared is same as a plus b, a minus b, we can write this one as x to the power 3 all squared minus x squared equal to 0. So this one is a and this one is b. So the same as s cube, okay, x cube minus x squared, then x cube plus x squared equal to 0. So the first part of the question, we have x cube minus x squared equal to 0, or x cube plus x squared equal to 0. Okay, let's start with when x squared, x cube minus x squared equal to 0. So this one, I'll take x squared out. So I'll leave with x minus 1 equal to 0. So we have x squared equal to 0. So taking square root on both sides, my x equal to 0. And x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1. Okay. So the next part of the question, we have x cubed plus x squared equal to 0. So let's factorize x squared out. X squared, and we have x plus 1. So we have x squared is equal to 0, just as we did to this. So my x is still 0. And we have x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to -1. Alright, so we have answers here. Okay, that's that. Alright.